Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add Wise to eBay on an Android device. First of all, please open Chrome browser on your device. And then here you can type ebay.com. And then activate the desktop site on your device like this. After that, if you haven't logged into your account, please log in by clicking the sign in option, then enter your password. After successfully logging in, please click the down arrow next to your account, and then you can select account settings. Okay, after that, in the payment information section, you can click payment. Then here you can click continue. And then click add payment option. And then here you can click credit or debit card. Okay, and then here you can enter your Wise card information. Okay, and then click continue. And then your Wise card has been successfully added to your eBay account. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add Wise to eBay on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.